What an exciting weekend of racing at High Point. Congrats to Ty Masterpool, man.
Congratulations, Ben, and the whole Masterpool family. First time I got to meet Jerry Masterpool, really nice, kind of cowboy type dude. He was training kids at the time, and that's what he was known for. If you want to get faster, you go to the Masterpool training facility.
Riding with Eli Tomac out in Cortez, Colorado, riding with Ken Roxon at the Moto Sandbox, jumping around and being around these high profile 450 riders, I think is really starting to rub off on Hayden and is paying off in huge dividends.